Hi, today we'll be learning about relation valency and the periodic table between. In 1869, Dmitry Mendeleev organized the elements in group according to their chemical properties. He named the arrangement of elements as periodic table, in which each vertical column called a group 1 to 8 contains elements with similar properties, and each horizontal row called a period 1 to 4 contains the elements arranged by weight increasing from left to right. These are the 1 to 20 elements of the periodic table. Element, symbols and numbers. The number of the element is its atomic number, which is the number of protons in each atom of the element. The element symbol is a one or two letter abbreviation of the element's name. The element name can tell you something about its properties. Elements with name ending with gen are nonmetals that are gases in pure form at a room temperature. Elements that have names ending with in belongs to a group of elements called halogens. Halogens are extremely reactive and readily for compounds. Elements names ending with on are noble gases which are inert or non-reactive gases at room temperature. Most element names end with im. These elements are metals which are usually hard, shiny and conductive. To know the number of neutrons, you need to know the isotopes of the element. This is indicating using numbers. Subscripts are following the symbols to give the total number of protons and neutrons. For example, carbon 4 has 14 protons and neutrons. Since we all know atoms of carbon have 6 protons, the number of neutrons is 14 minus 6, which is 8. Ions are atoms that have different number of protons and electrons. Ions indicate using a superscript after the element symbols that states whether the charge of an atom is positive, more protons, or negative, more electrons, and the quantity of the charge. For example, Ca2 positive is the symbol of calcium ion that have the 2 positive charge. Since the atomic number of calcium is 20 and the charge is positive, this means the ion has 20 to 2 or 18 electrons. To be an element, a substance has to at least have protons. Since these particles define the type of element, elements consists of atoms which contain a nucleus of proton and neutrons surrounded by a cloud or shell of electrons. Elements are considered as the basic building blocks of matter because they are simplest form of matter that cannot be divided using any chemical means. Valency of an element that can be determined by its group in its periodic table. The elements in group 1, 2, 3 and 4 have valency 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively. The elements in group 6, 5 and 7 have valency 3, 2 and 1 respectively. The elements in group 8 have valency 0 as they do not show the combined capacity. They are inert gases.